Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Zengo wallet application not working. Now, I would have said that the first step for you to take is to actually launch your Zengo wallet, but your Zengo wallet is not working. So how can you get into this home page? No. But I'm going to show you the steps that you can take to fixing your Zengo application not working. So let's start with the first step, which is your account upgraded? All right, let's say if Zengo has an update feature and you're not able to open up your Zengo application, it means you need to update your Zengo app. And how do you do that? Let's say you're using an iPhone, go ahead and launch the App Store. And once you do that, check the search bar of App Store and then type in Zengo. It's going to take a Zengo. So if you see the update option or the update button, go ahead and click on that to update. Same thing goes for Google Play Store. Launch your Google Play Store, check the search bar. In the search bar, type Zengo. And once you click on that, if you see the update option, go ahead and click on that to update. Now, after you've updated, it should definitely start working. But if it's not working, then ensure that you have a stable internet connection. What's internet connection? What's the speed? Ensure that it is secure. Ensure that it's fast. Ensure that it is strong. Now, if that is not working, then you need to clear cache. Let's say it's now your phone, you have bug issues, and you just need to get rid of the bugs. What you do, head over to your phone settings, and go ahead and click on the app settings. Once you click on the apps, go ahead and search for Zengo. Once you click on Zengo, click on Zengo and click on clear cache. And once you click on clear cache, you're going to see that it will be bug free. And try to open the application again to see if it's going to work. If it doesn't work, then you need to restart or reboot your phone depending on the term that is used in your phone. So after restarting or rebooting your phone, then check the application again. It should start working. But if it is not working, then that means you've gotten to the point where you say, having done all to stand. Now you will need to stand. And that's like literally the last step that you need to take. That would have sounded extreme, but literally if you've done all of these things and it's not working, then you have to go through with this last step, which is uninstall your Zengo application and reinstall. This means you have to keep all your login details in mind, your login credentials in mind, so you don't have to forget it. Now you don't have to forget them. So once you have uninstalled, go ahead and reinstall the application. Now after reinstalling, go ahead and try to log in. After logging in, you should now get into your application. So follow through with any of these processes and you'll be able to fix your account issue, or you'll be able to fix the Zengo wallet application not working. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.